In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a still photo in Canva and turn it into a dynamic video in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to liven up a presentation or create engaging content for social media, animating your photos can add that captivating touch that grabs attention. Let's embark on this simple yet exciting journey using Canva, a user-friendly design tool that makes creativity accessible to everyone. First, pick the image you want to animate. You can either open a project you're already working on or start a new one. Canva gives you the flexibility to use your own photos or choose from a wide range of stock images if you need inspiration. Once you've selected your image, click on it. This highlights the photo and opens up a menu of editing options on the toolbar, letting you experiment with different effects. Now comes the fun part: adding animation. On the top menu, you'll see an Animate button. Click on it, and Canva will display a variety of animation styles you can apply to your image. These range from subtle fades and pans to more dynamic effects that emphasize and highlight different parts of your design. For this tutorial, let's choose the blur animation effect. This style gives your image a smooth transitional feel, making it appear more lively as it gradually comes into focus. Once selected, Canva instantly applies the effect, and you can preview how your animation looks in real time. And just like that, with a few clicks, your static photo has transformed into an engaging animated visual. Remember, you can always explore other animation styles or adjust the settings to match the mood and message of your project. With a little practice, you'll be able to create stunning animated visuals quickly, making your presentations and social media posts more eye-catching and professional. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your creative projects.